Hello, Vikram. Thank you very much for your design. I like it. I think it's very good. I think it's very modern. I think it's exactly what I asked you to do. But I have been testing it with a couple of customers, and there's one thing that is that I'm a little bit in doubt about. As you know, we came from this design. I don't know what to call this. This design is only 3, 4 years old, but many things have happened the last 3, 4 years on the internet, and now we see a lot of designs that are in this style that you created, like Airbnb, very modern design. And these modern designs appeal to me as a web user because I'm a user of the internet. I use it a lot, so I think this will look very good. But my target group is a little bit older, some of them, like 40, 50, 60 years old, and they book music on my site. And I don't know for sure. Some of the users I showed it to says that it was a little bit scary, and I don't know what they mean by scary, but I think they know that you don't get, difficult to say. This is not so scary because you can see, okay, fill out here. So where the modern design with a good picture might be a little bit scary. So there's something that I would like to test, and I need your help to do. I would like to make an A/B split test, use your design, this one, and see how people react on it. How many do we convert on this design? But I would also like to do a small change to this design to see something else. Let me show you what I mean. So this section that you have here, this section, and the footer section pretty much stays exactly like you've done it. But we make a different top section, one that is more approachable, easy to work with, and everybody, all ages, will not be scared from this because it's so simple. So we use the icons that I have here, and we implement them in the top without any picture background. So what I need you to do is take your design as you have it right now, create one header above this section that you see here. So let me just maybe drag the whole thing down here. Okay, I have something behind it. Let me remove that. There. Okay, so create one header up in this section up here where we have the logo and the Trustpilot. And I don't know what will fit the best, probably white as you did it previous, but create some kind of header up here. And then insert this section as you think it will look the best. What is important to me is the illustrations as you see them, the 4 illustrations, and also indicate how it should look behind one of these illustrations when I have my mouse over it. And then a button similar to this one. I don't know if you want to make it green. I like the contrast of the green, but maybe you have a different suggestion that could be better. I don't know. So you click on one of these 4 and then you click continue to next step. Then we insert your sections exactly like you see them, but make sure that, of course, the background will fit to your section. Either this section will fit to your section or your sections will fit to this section. And also make sure that the orange color matches all the way through. And I like this deeper orange. I don't know what you think. It's up to you because you're the professional designer. I actually not a designer, but so do whatever you want. If you want to make this deep orange all the way through, then maybe that will look good. If you want to do it somewhere in between your orange and my orange, maybe that will look good. And if you want to keep your orange, then you have to change this up here so that it matches your orange. I will send you this small section, and as I said, the only thing I need is a header, integration of my section, and making sure that the orange color is integrated also. So that's the only thing I need you to do. If you can do that, I would ask for your permission to use both this new design you have done, but also the other one you have done, and then split test them both, simply because I'm uncertain about how my customers will react when I go from this a little bit more traditional design to to the new design. So that is what I would like to ask you, and it's going to be exciting to see what the customers prefers.